Good morning, dear students. How are you? Today we will discuss our DOE worksheet 60 from your chapter Structure of Atom, and today we will discuss about the Rutherford's model of atom. What is Rutherford model of atom? Proton was discovered by E. Goldstein, and even before the discovery of electron, and Ernest Rutherford was interested in knowing about the arrangement of electron within the atom. And so he conducted an experiment which alpha particles were made to fall on a thin gold foil. Okay, this proton was discovered by E. Goldstein, and before the discovery of electron, which was done by Sir J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford wants to know how the electrons are arranged in atom. Okay, so that is why he conducted an experiment called Rutherford's alpha particle scattering, right? In this, what he did, and with this experiment, he concluded that most of the space in the atom is empty and electrons move around the nucleus in circular path. And through this experiment, he came to know that all the space in between the atom is empty, okay, and electrons are moving around the nucleus. See, Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, what he did, a gold foil of 10,000 atom thick was selected due to its high malleability. A very thin sheet of gold has been taken and alpha particles were bombarded on it. Okay, see this is alpha particles were bombarded on it. The alpha particles are, what are alpha particles? Alpha particles are positively charged helium ions, and the alpha particles were expected to be reflected as the atom has proton in it. Okay, so see this alpha particles, what has happened? So he observed that, see, from this, these are the rays coming from the alpha particles. This is gold foil. All the mm, all the fast moving alpha particle passes through the straight line through the gold foil. They are passes through the straight line through the gold foil, and some of the particles were deflected by small angles. See, these are deflected by some small angles. Okay, these are deflected by some small angles, but uh, one out of every 12,000 particles appeared to rebound. Okay, this is that particle which coming back to its own path. Okay, but it is very, rare. Out of every 12,000 particles, just one particle appear to be moved through its path. See this is the small angle. All the particles move, most of the particles cross this gold foil, and only few, this, see, only few have been deflected back through a small angle, and this 12,000, nearly one out of 12,000 coming back to its own path. So what he concluded on the basis of this, on the basis of his observation from this experiment, Rutherford proposed the model of atom. Like, there is positively charged center in the atom called nucleus. This is the nucleus. Okay, nearly all the mass of the atom is concentrated in it. All the mass of the atom concentrated in the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular path. All the electrons are moving in the circular path, and the size of nucleus is very small as compared to the size of atom. The size of nucleus is small as compared to the atom. Okay, what are the drawbacks of this? The revolution of the electron in the circular path around the nucleus is not expected to be stable. He said that electrons are moving around the nucleus, but if the electrons are moving around the nucleus, then these are not then this nucleus is not expected to be stable. The electrons are charged particles and they radiate energy while they are moving in the circular path, will ultimately lose the energy, and as a result they fall to the nucleus. But the atom was found to be stable, and Rutherford model of atom failed to explain this theory. Okay, so which metal is used? Let's do practice exercise. Which metal is used by the Ernest Rutherford for his experiment? Gold. Okay, what were the observation made by Rutherford? So you have to write these observation. Most of the alpha particle moving, passing through the gold foil to the straight line, and all these 3 points you have to write. This is the answer of your second question. Which subatomic particle present in the nucleus and circular path of the atom? In nucleus, proton and neutron are present. You can write with this and in circular path we are having electron. Okay, so this is answer for third question. Fourth question, we have main features of the Rutherford atom model. You have to write all this. This is the answer of your fourth question. And fifth question, who discovered proton? Proton was discovered by E. Goldstein. And what are alpha particles? Then you have to write the answer of this. Alpha particle is the positively charged helium ion. This is the answer of your fifth question. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand. So do like, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, Vijay. Take care.